Welcome to Plus One CBSE Maths Chapter 3 Trigonometry Sum and difference of two angles. Exercise 3.3 Examples and up to first 5 problems were discussed in earlier videos, and today we are going to see further sums. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to x plus y. You consider this is A and this is B. So the same thing is here, therefore this is A. Same thing is here, so this is B. So this is in short cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, then that is cos of A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You must remember this formula. So now what is A here? Pi by 4 minus x plus again pi by 4 minus y. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, first quadrant. So positive, we have proved sin of x plus y. A very simple formula problem. You must remember only that formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. Now we will go to the 7th problem. Question number 7, tan of something, tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x equal to, we have to prove 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Again a very simple problem. You apply the formula for tan of A plus B. So that will be equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan x 1 minus tan pi by 4 and tan x. The whole thing divided by tan pi by 4 minus this. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 and tan x. Just I have applied the formula for tan A plus B and tan A minus B. You know tan pi by 4 is 1. So replace that 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. This part 1 minus tan x. Now coming to this one, again 1 minus tan x divided by, this is 1 plus tan x. So this is now 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Already there is 1 minus tan x divided by this, so it goes up 1 plus tan x. So we get 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. Again a simple problem. As I said that you have to apply straight the formula tan of A minus B and tan of A plus B, and don't forget to substitute for tan of pi by 4 is nothing but 1. Is it not easy? Now shall I go for the 8th problem. 8th problem, cos of pi plus x multiplied with cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. We have to prove that this is equal to cot square x. Sin 180 plus, cos 180 plus x, cos x, but 180 plus x is in third quadrant. In third quadrant this is minus, and here is cos minus x. Cos minus x is cos x. Now denominator sin pi minus x Sin pi minus x, therefore sin x, and this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Cos 90 plus, therefore sin pi by 2 plus, so second quadrant cos is negative. This is in second quadrant. The result is that here is 1 minus, here is 1 minus. I can cancel that. Cos square x, cos x by sin x the whole square, which is nothing but cot square x. So you have to remember only this cos pi plus x. Third quadrant, therefore minus. But cos minus theta is cos theta. Don't get confused with that. So minus cos theta. Don't write that. Sin 180 minus theta, second quadrant. So sin positive. Cos 90 plus x, second quadrant. So minus 90 plus. So you have to change cos into sin. Now I go for question number 9. Question number 9 is on the board. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x multiplied with cos 2 pi plus x, cos 3 pi by 2 minus x, cot 2 pi plus x equal to 1. We have to show this. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, odd multiples of 90, therefore it will be sin x. 3 pi by 2 is 270, 270 plus x, so fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, therefore simply sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x, so cos x. 2 pi plus x, first quadrant, therefore it is positive. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2, so it will be sin. This is 270 minus, 270 minus, therefore third quadrant, so minus. Now coming to this, cot 2 pi plus x, so cot 2 pi plus x, so first quadrant, so simply cot x. We have to prove that this is equal to 1. I have not written the problem, so I have rewritten that. So here is a multiplication, after that there is a bracket, and in between that plus everything is cot here. Now let us go for that. Cot 270 minus x, 270 minus x, so third quadrant 270, therefore it becomes tan. Odd multiples, so cot becomes tan, and this lies in third quadrant, therefore x, no minus. Now cot 2 pi minus x, that is cot x. This is in first quadrant, so positive. Now this part, there is no change. This is tan x. This can be written as sin by cos, and this is cos x by sin. Taking LCM for this, sin x, cos x, this is sin square x plus cos square x divided by cos x sin x is the LCM. See, after taking this is LCM, I am getting this cos x there, sin x into sin x, sin square. Similarly, this is cos x into this cos square x. This get cancelled, and this is nothing but 1. So the problem is very simple. So take to the problem properly and then do it. I will go for 10th question. Now 10th problem. Sin of n plus 1 x into sin of n plus 2 x plus cos of n plus 1 x into cos of n plus 2 x equal to, we have to prove that cos x. You assume this is A and this is your B. N plus 1 x, here also n plus 2 x, we are assuming it as B. So the problem reduces to sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B. That is the formula. Replace with that a and b. A is nx plus x. I have multiplied. Minus b is nx plus 2x. The result is now cos nx plus x minus nx and minus 2x. Nx get cancelled. You have cos minus x, and we know cos minus theta can be written as cos theta. So proved. So it must strike you that this is of this form, sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, and fit it to the formula. We know cos A minus B equal to that. That comes to an end. The problem becomes very easy now. Now I will go for 11th question. Question number 11, cos of something minus cos of something else equal to, we have to prove. This can be written as cos A plus B, or cos x plus y is cos 3 pi by 4 cos C plus cos of x plus y, cos A cos B, minus sin 3 by 4 and sin x. And then for this minus, so it becomes plus, that's all. Cos 3 pi by 4x into cos x, and this will be sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Now removing the bracket, here will be, this term will go off. Cos 3 pi by 4 cos x minus of sin 3 pi by 4 sin x minus cos 3 pi by 4 cos x, and here is minus and this plus, so again minus of sin 3 pi by 4 and sin x. The result is that you have minus 2 times of sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. What is sin 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 is I can take it as pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. Then what is sin 3 pi by 4? Equal to sine of this, that is sin pi by 4. In which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive, and we know sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So the answer is, this will be minus 2, and this is 1 by root 2 and sin x. So minus root 2 times of sin x. The 2 and root 2. This is root 2 and root 2, so 1 root 2 get cancelled, remaining root 2 times of sin x minus root 2 times of sin x. This problem can be done by another method also. Cos, the entire thing you can take it as x, and the entire thing you take it as y. Cos x minus cos y. That formula also you can use it. So what is that formula? Cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y is 2 sin x plus y by 2 minus outside, and then sin x minus y by 2. That formula also you can apply and get the answer. But this is little bit easy, so I have applied this one. Now I go for 12th question. Question number 13, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. We have to prove sin 4x into sin 8x. There is no formula for cos square x minus cos square y. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is not cos square a minus cos square b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So, since there is no formula, I am converting that cos square in terms of sin square. We know the identity cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Applying that, we are getting sin square 6x minus sin square 2x, which can be reduced to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So, the answer. Okay. Now, let me go for 14th sum. Now, the 14th sum, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to this. I am clubbing the sin 2x plus sin 6x. Sin x plus sin y equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. The 2 sin 4x remains. 2x plus 6x, 8x divided by 2, 4x. 6x minus 2x by 2, so 4x by 2, 2x. That x, sin a plus sin b, the b can be anything, so 6x also can be a. So preferably I have taken that a as the bigger one number, 6x minus 2x. Even otherwise, if you are taking 2x minus 6x, that will be minus 2x. Cos minus 2x is nothing but cos 2x. 2 sin 4x, you take it out, you will be left out with cos 2x plus 1, and you know cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Minus or minus plus, so 2 cos square theta minus 1 will be. Therefore, when you are taking that minus 1 to this side, you will get 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta. So, instead of this, I am writing this. The result is that 2 into 2, 4 cos square x and sin 4x. Let me go to the last problem for the day. Cot 4x into something. This is sin c plus sin d. So, sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. So, this is cos 4x by sin 4x, and this is 2 times of sin 5 plus 3 8 by 2, so sin 4x, and this part is cos 5 minus 3 2x by 2 cos x. So this sin 4x get cancelled. So what you are getting is here 2 times of cos x and cos 4x. So LHS we are simplified as 2 cos x and cos 4x. Let me go to the right side. Here is cot x, that is cos by sin. Sin c minus sin d, so 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. I have taken out, and this is cos x and by sin x. This is cos 5 plus 3 8x, 8x by 2, so 4x, 5x minus 3x, so 2x, 2x by 2 is 2, so this get cancelled. So this is your right hand side, 2 cos x cos 4x, left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved the problem. So that completes up to 15 problems. Further problems we will see in the next video. If the class is up to your expectation, please subscribe and tell your friends also. Thank you for watching, and if you already subscribed, for that also let me thank you.